The requirement on the air purification becomes more and more strictly, and the high-tech industries grow rapidly in the world. Guangzhou Baclian Tech Co., Ltd., which works hard in the air purification equipment business, is committed to providing customers with advanced, reasonable and economical purification equipment and air filtration solutions. Guangzhou Baclian Tech Co., Ltd. is located in Panyu District, Guangzhou City. It is a high-tech enterprise integrating the research and development, design, manufacturing and testing of purification equipment and air filters. Daclian specializes in technical solutions in air filter and cleanroom equipment with more than 10 years of technical accumulation and precipitation, and has successfully created dozens of products in air filter and cleanroom equipment, which have shown unique competitive advantages in performance and economic benefits and have won the recognition and trust of customers. Daclian's products are widely used in many key clean fields such as biopharmaceuticals, medical and health, inspection and quarantine, microelectronics, precision instruments, new energy, aerospace and so on, and also have become the first Zhou supplier among the above industries. After the introduction of international and domestic advanced production equipment and testing equipment, Baclian insists excellent craftsmanship and innovative spirit to ensure good quality and reliable company. As a result of this, Baclian has been one of the most good quality and famous air purification company in China. With excellent quality and good service, Baclian has many clients from more than 30 countries and regions around the world and is deeply favored and recognized by domestic and foreign customers, such as Hengrui Pharmaceuticals, CRC Sanju Medicine, Mindray Biomedical Electronics, SMIC, CATL, BYD, Huawei, Bo, Wahahao, National Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Sun Yat-sen University-affiliated cancer hospital and other thousands of enterprises in different industries. Baclian has won the honor of Specialized 10 New Enterprise, High-Tech Enterprise, Guangzhou Medical Prevention and Control Material Emergency Guarantee Enterprise, Innovative Small and Mid-Sized Enterprise, Technology-Based SME Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises and so on. In addition, Baclian has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, ISO 1 for Role 1 Environmental Management System Certification, ISO for 5001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification so far. Daclian keeps moving on innovation, research and development, and has successfully obtained a number of national invention patents and hundreds of patents and certificates. The main purification products have passed ISO 16890 certification, US UL Fire Protection certification, UC certification, RoHS certification, and 182 certification, and other international certifications and many authoritative third-party certification reports. Daclian is willing to contribute to the development of global clean technology. With the goal of building an international brand, we will strive to open up new areas of clean technology based on domestic and world-oriented. Guangzhou Baclian Tech Co., Ltd.